Hey, what's up guys? Today we are talking about one of the most asked question in the iPhone world. Is iOS 26 jailbreak available? Which tool works? Are these websites real or fake? In this video, I'll give you the real, honest and updated truth about iOS 26 jailbreak in 2026. No fake hype, no scam talk, only reality. So let's break it down. Before we start, quick recommendation. If you are using an iPhone, this screen protector is worth checking out. It's the POWLEXA tempered glass, real 9H military grade protection, crystal clear display and smooth touch. The auto alignment box makes installation stupidly easy. No bubbles, no stress. Edge-to-edge coverage, case friendly, and it keeps your screen looking new. So, the Amazon link is in the description of the video. So the part 1 is about current status of iOS 26 jailbreak. First, let's be very clear. There is no confirmed public jailbreak for iOS 26 on modern iPhones. That means iPhone XS and newer, iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, any iOS 26 version, 26.0, 26.1, 26.2. Right now, there is no Uncover, no Chakra 1, no Dopamine, no Odysseys. None of the famous jailbreak tools support iOS 26. So if someone tells you download this and that and jailbreak iOS 26 in one click, most of the time that's completely fake and scam. Now let's come to the part 2, why jailbreak is dying. Apple has made jailbreaking extremely hard. Modern iPhones now have hardware level security, secure enclave, kernel protection, pointer authentication, runtime exploit blocking. Before, jailbreakers used software bugs, but now Apple fixes bugs very fast and hardware itself blocks deep access. That's why full jailbreaks are rare. Development is slow. Many developers stopped working on the newest iOS. In simple words, Apple is winning the security war. Now let's come to the part 3. What you see online. Now, you will see many websites, many videos on the YouTube saying iOS 26 jailbreak online, no PC jailbreak, one-click jailbreak, profile-based jailbreak. Most of these fall into 3 categories. The first category is they are fake jailbreak pages. They show advertisements and earn the revenue, ask you to install different profiles, redirect you again and again on the different websites. Sometimes they ask you to install useless application. Sometimes they are dangerous malware. These do not give you real jailbreak. The second category is the customization tool. It's not a real jailbreak, but some tools can change icons, install themes, add small tweaks, but they don't give you root access, do not modify system deeply, stop working after reboot sometimes. So they're more like jailbreak style customization, but not a real jailbreak, not a real CDA and other jailbreak thing. The third category is experimental exploits. Sometimes you see YouTube demos, Reddit posts, developer discussions. They are for researchers, they are not for public tools, not stable, not safe for daily users. So do not trust everything you see online. Now let's come to the part 4. It's risk of trying these type of fake jailbreaks. If you try random tools from internet, you risk bootloop, data loss, phone freezing, privacy theft, malware, and Apple refusing service. Always remember, fake jailbreak is equal to real damage. Never install unknown profiles, random IPA files, tools without community trust. Let's come to the part 5. So what can you do? If your goal is customization, use safe customization apps that works without the jailbreak from the App Store and which are reversible, do not break the system, but please understand they are not full jailbreak. For the research purposes or hacking, professionals now use virtual iOS environments, security labs, simulators like Corellium that do not jailbreak real iPhones anymore. So in the part 7, we will discuss about the current jailbreaks that are actually available and where to check real status. Now let's talk about that. So the jailbreak tools that do exist today, what they support, and how you can check whether a real jailbreak is available for your device or not. Now let's talk about trusted existing jailbreak tools that is available right now. So it is available for older iOS versions. Even though iOS 26 doesn't have a real stable jailbreak, several jailbreak tools are still alive and working for older iOS versions. Chakra 1, a well-known jailbreak based on a hardware boot RAM exploit called Checkmate, which means Apple cannot patch it with software updates. It supports many older devices up to iOS 14 and sometimes beyond on compatible hardware. POWLEXA 1, a successor and extension of the Chakra 1 concept. It's used on older devices and is a popular name in a community. Uncover, historically one of the most popular jailbreaks for iOS versions up to iOS 14, often installed via All-Star or similar side loaders. There are real tools trusted by the jailbreak community, but they do not support iOS 26 on modern devices as of now. So where to check the real jailbreak status? So if you want to find out if a jailbreak exists for your particular iPhone and iOS version accurately, here are the best trusted resources. iClarified Jailbreak Guide. This website maintains a status list of jailbreak tools and supported iOS versions, including history and real updates. You can find the link in the description of this video. The second is iOS Jailbreak Tool Finder, iDeviceCentral.com. This tool lets you check whether a jailbreak exists for your specific device plus iOS versions. I'm putting all the links in the description of this video so you can check it out. So the third is the most powerful. It is the Reddit subreddit. You can find out the link. It is the Jailbreak Reddit community. This is the main community where jailbreak developers and experts discuss real news, tools, and exploits, updated constantly by people who actually test things. The fourth one is iOS.cfw.guide, a comprehensive guide that lists the most current jailbreakable iOS versions and tools, plus device compatibility charts. Now let's come to the what real jailbreak status looks like today. So right now there is no public jailbreak exists for iOS 26 on modern iPhone models. Existing jailbreaks works only for older iOS versions depending on your phone's chipset and firmware. So you can check real jailbreak availability using tools like iClarified, iDeviceCentral, iOS.cfw.guide, and community forum on Reddit. Now let's come to the last part of the video, the final truth summary. Now let me summarize clearly. There is no public full jailbreak for iOS 26 available right now. Most of them are fake. Most of the websites you see and YouTube videos you see are completely fake. They just upload the videos on the YouTube to earn revenue from the YouTube. And some tools only give light customizations, but they're not real jailbreak. Real jailbreak is extremely difficult now. Apple patches exploits very fast. Jailbreaking era is slowly ending. So if you're waiting for iOS 26 jailbreak, be patient but be realistic. Do not fall for scams, do not destroy your iPhone, and always remember, if it sounds too easy, it's probably fake. If you want, comment your iPhone model, iOS versions, and I'll tell you honestly what's possible and what's not. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll keep bringing you the real truth about iPhones.